Hello children. Today let us discuss about algebraic identities. Before discussing about algebraic identities, let us first know what is an identity. An identity is an equation which is true for any values. For example, if we consider a plus 7 into a plus 2, which is multiplication of two binomials, we'll get a square plus 9a plus 14. We shall evaluate both sides of this equation for some values of a. Say a is equal to 5. So for a is equal to 5, LHS is a plus 7 into a plus 2, which is 5 plus 7 into 5 plus 2, 12 into 7, 84. RHS is a square plus 9a plus 14. Replacing a with 5, we get 5 square plus 9 into 5 plus 14, which is 25 plus 45 plus 14, 84. For a is equal to a, LHS is equal to RHS. Let us evaluate for some other values of a. This is the equation. A plus 7 into a plus 2 is equal to a square plus 9a plus 14. Let us take the value of a as 3. So we get 3 plus 7 into 3 plus 2, which is 10 into 5, 50. RHS is 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 14, which is 9 plus 27 plus 14, which is also equal to 50. So for a is equal to 3, LHS is equal to RHS. So for any values of a, even if you want we can take other values also. For any values of a, LHS is equal to RHS for this equation. A plus 7 into a plus 2 is equal to a square plus 9a plus 14. Therefore, it is called as an identity. Let us now discuss about the algebraic identities. The first algebraic identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let us see how did we get the RHS part. A plus b whole square, which is nothing but the square of a binomial, which is a plus b into a plus b. This is in the form of product of two binomials. So that can be written as a into a plus b into a plus b. So that is a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. AB and BA are like terms. So we arrive at a square plus 2ab plus b square. So therefore a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now let us see an example for that. Find the square of 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is a binomial. So we are finding the square of a binomial. So 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to 2x square, 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y whole square. Because it is in the form of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. The value of a is 2x and the value of b is 3y. So 2x whole square is 4x square plus the middle term 2 into 2x into 3y is equal to 12xy plus 3y whole square is equal to 9y square. So therefore 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Now let us see the second identity. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This also the same thing. A minus b whole square is equal to a minus b into a minus b. This is a into a minus b into a minus b, which gives you a square minus ab minus ba plus b square, which is minus ab and minus ba are like terms. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. So therefore a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us see an example for this also. Find the square of 5p minus 4q. So 5p minus 4q is in the form of a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, where the value of a is 5p and the value of b is 4q. So we get 5p minus 4q whole square is equal to 5p whole square, which is 25p square, 2 into 5p into 4q, which is minus 40pq plus 4q square, which is 16q square. This is so 5p minus 4q whole square is equal to 25p square minus 40pq plus 16q square. Now let us see the third identity, which is nothing but the product of sum and difference of same numbers. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Let us see how did we get that. A plus b into a minus b is nothing but product of two binomials, that can be written as first term into second expression plus second term into second expression. So a into a minus b plus b into a minus b, which gives you a square minus ab plus ba minus b square. Minus ab and plus ba are like terms and they are of opposite sign. So they get cancelled and we'll arrive at a square minus b square. Therefore, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Let us see an example of this. Find the product of y plus 4 into y minus 4. So, y plus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to y square minus 4 square. Because it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, where the value of a is y and the value of b is 4. So y plus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to y square minus 16. Thank you.